Alright, so people, we're heading to the Reggae Sumfest Social Awards, and as you know, I was nominated in the category of comedy or some social media something. And yes, I was Rochielin. So with me here, we have Rochielin. She over there, so do our makeup and all kind of things. And over here, so we have the big bad boss, the person who take over YouTube, Mr. Iheartmanii. Money, that is it. The people them say na pranks them. That's
Yo,
it.
when I look out of character, they don't see me like this, you know.
In a clean clothes?
Basically.
Well. But yeah, we're head to the event. Rochielin, you feel like me go win?
Me and a friend right now.
Wow. Why? Because of little lateness?
And a little lateness, and every time I go to do me this.
Oh, you know what?
When I reach 3 hours late, you just full of problem and stress.
You know what? You know what? Better so reach there, don't even start yet. The people them just as I do. Let's see if they're going to cooperate with Jamaican time. When they reach there, them just a start the red carpet. Come maybe them just at 6 o'clock so that the people them, you know, have one little extra time to get ready. Let's find out.
Okay, boo.
Alright, the road is dirty. Oh yeah, big up Roje behind the camera. You can't turn around for yourself though. Yeah.
I'll turn it for them.
Promise to for you.
Roje, boy, clean!
Fresh! Fresh!
Thank you.
Best comeback song.
Okay, you see how far it takes for forward? This is the best comeback song.
It's a reflection of really what happened with this award.
Exactly.
You know,
They have
really,
to take a long
took some
on
time
that one, yeah.
for us to get back. But we're here.
So, you know, a lot of these artists, they have risen to prominence when they hear nothing for a while, but that means them non-existent.
Right.
So them
And
step out back again like
with a
this
big
is it.
tune,
And
yeah.
then, you know, when you hear Munga step out with Mad,
Munga honor the first nominee in this category. Then
A
we
lot of
have
people-
Stylo
yeah, them are nostalgia, a big artist.
Touchdown.
Yes.
Win Marshall with a big tune.
One of my favorites.
favorites.
Glory to God, yes.
And Spragga Benz with Differ. It's
Yes.
called Differ.
Yes.
Differ.
And the winner is, drum roll please. Wonder if we can get a special performance from the winner tonight.
If them there.
Oh man.
Best comeback song goes to Naman Munga Honorable.
She like Kale and spend enough money, no. I'm a over no girl. You like Kale and win a box money, no. I'm a over no girl. Kiras.
Hold up. Holy Manuel Selassie, Jah. After all we've been through, from them time until this time, and going forward, it's an inaugural feeling to feel the welcome from the fans, if the promoters, organizers of these events. I say thank you. Manners and respect. So, with no further ado, scatter say one little piece. Where's the little piece? Outside now. I wanna know. Sit around, see how it here. We don't wanna get the pressure, we as it weak. Like how Marie look it as she take. Better if you give me a break. Sit up at some place, cause a boy like we not mad, no.
We not mad over no girl.
Cause a boy like me not mad, no. We not mad over no girl. Coulda pretty like Kale and spend enough
Money, no.
up and steady.
You like Kale.
So respect to Joe Bogdanovich. Reggae Sumfest set. In a this one, so we energy up. Piece of ice and liquid cheese in a Hennessy cup. Couple girls and couple taps to make the energy bump. So we don't want no man around to make the energy bump. I'm from my girl, body, will get me ready, me up. I'm from my girl, body, that take me ready, pick up. As somebody get the devil know how much the energy want.
Do my feel like on the the line, I said them ready to
Sing
talk.
for me now. You can't break my comfort. All the incomfort. And if you want it, then jump the fence. You must face the consequence. Let's just call it self-defense.
Feelings
Call we dash. And if I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please. Only I Selassie and Jah.
The winner of the best comedian, the award goes to
Quite very. Quite very has your come up, sir.
You know you have to thank Patricia. Don't act like you don't know say you win. Why are you doing this stuff?
No, I'm generally surprised.
Really?
Okay. So I didn't campaign at all for votes. I just woke up and I saw people sending me messages in my inbox. So I guess that speaks to the dedication of my fan base, and I'm truly appreciative of them. Big up to my management team, Karen Clark, of course. She holds everything down for me. Thank you to the fans, Brandon for big him up, and also big up Duttyberry who's here, and big up Iheartmanii, who you guys need to follow and subscribe on YouTube. He's young, he's upcoming, and we need to support him. So, thank you guys again. Thank you, Reggae Sumfest. Up!
Rooted in Jamaica, and I've contributed a lot to the industry, music, culture, and on all different bases. So this is award for
Wait, excuse me,
the most beloved Jamaican brands.
yes,
And the nominees are Grace
keep it
Foods,
steady, somebody.
Tasty Patties,
Ray Nephew,
Red Stripe.
Damn nice. Ready? Go. The light on. Thing good. Ready? Alright, so Perry, the award. Why don't have the award? We want to give them the actual award. Okay. Alright, so I'm there with fellow social media personality, Quite Perry, and he just received the Reggae Sumfest Get Social Award for the category Comedy, Best Comedian. Now they're in the same category along with about 15 other people. And so, how it feel for actually winning the night? This is when they call it, they look visibly shocked. I was visibly shocked.
So we're here to announce the best female reggae artist, and the first nominee is
Coffee,
Tanya Stevens,
Etana,
Queen Ifrica,
Shania.
and Janai.
So the winner is
Who wanna say? Who wanna say?
somebody. So they want some hot,
You want caffeine?
rude,
You don't want-
maybe instant.
Well, they're gonna get another
She was
caffeine
definitely
Blue
an
Mountain
instant hit.
coffee.
Congratulations to Coffee. There's somebody coming up to collect the award, but
Video.
there's a video right here.
Greetings and blessings one and all. I want to thank everybody, all my supporters who placed me in a category in the Get Social Awards. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, I am not in Jamaica, I am in Europe, and I will not be able to attend this event. And I apologize, but give thanks same way and I will see you soon.
Lovely. The females them at work, them the overseas. Yeah, them at work, so respect.
Congratulations.
Somebody there with Shauna Controller. We have the name right, everything good?
Yes, you have it right.
Alright, so we had
Please have it
yes.
right.
So we had the social media Reggae Sumfest Awards. How we enjoyed the night?
Well, it was good. It was good. It was good nominees, and it was good people that won. I think they deserve it. So it was a good thing. I like it.
Alright, so you have a Sumfest performance coming up.
Yes.
How the preparations? What are the preparations like?
The preparation is very hectic. It's not easy being an artist, but
Yeah.
you don't know. We have to make the thing right, because you don't know, say, people like him have things to say about me, so I have to prove him wrong.
No, but like, you know, I have stuff to add. Alright, Naomi just reached. What is this? One one. What is going on?
Hey, I just
Why you look like you had to over the Spice Girl there?
because that's the look for tonight.
I like this. Watch it. What about Naomi? Starts me there say a while ago, like she smell really good. Like I'm gonna try describe. Alright, picture lavender. Picture the best cupcake you ever see. Picture anything will look good and attach a smell to it. That is what, like picture lipstick, bubble gum, everything is like, she smell like something where you expect from heaven. You know, like when, if you think like Jesus, when Jesus flatulate, that is, this is a way you expect, like something just roses. It's like it really good.
Thank you.
It's like you swallow lotion and like it just comes through your skin. Like,
I should start doing that.
Like that's just it.
Because in this heat, you know, everything will come out of your pores anyway.
I was just like, not me, I'm like, we can't do an interview and we just pretend as if we not smell the aroma where you give. Like, whoa.
Hello.
Don't do too much.
Well,
Okay.
you know, it's all about Get Social.
Okay.
And of course, one of the things about Get Social, your breath should smell good.
Yeah.
And you should smell good.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with scents and oils. Anything that brings an aroma. Even when I sit on a plane, I take little things out
Also,
of my
like you have
purse.
like the candles
Essential
and stuff
oils.
like that.
Not for the plane. But, you know.
Oh, okay, not for the plane,
But
but
I will
yeah.
like put things on people beside me. Are like, what's that? I'm like, I'm just creating a vibe.
So today you were nominated. What did that feel like to actually be, you know, like selected?
For more females in the break, like in the new artist category than males, no disrespect. I thought that was really powerful. I just feel good that I'm running alongside such amazing women, ladies that are doing their own thing. And
Boy, good question.
right, so point is that though, like what I love about it is that we inspire each other's hustle. Like if I won, I would have wanted everybody on stage with
Oh,
me.
Jada,
Like I would
Jada
have
won,
shared,
yeah.
Jada won. But like I would have wanted to share that award with
everyone.
everyone.
Yeah.
Like, even earlier this year, I won the Breakthrough Reggae Artist by Jario, and
Yeah, yeah.
I just felt like our hustle inspires each other. So it's not even like a big deal to win it, but just to be nominated shows that yeah, we're on the same lane.
Yeah, and it's a good thing because you're somebody who actually know. I see you attack the international market.
Yes,
now.
I just got
say
back
a
from
pop,
London.
I say a pop freestyle and beer thing.
I just got back from London.
London.
And it was awesome. I go
Okay.
to Sweden, New York. I go to New York next month, then Sweden, and back to England again.
So how you find like people actually respond to your music? Like when you travel now,
Yeah.
what is the reaction and how does that make you feel?
Oh man, what was crazy was there was I did 2 shows in London recently, and the second show, a few people came up to me and they're like, "Oh my gosh, I'm so sad I missed your first show, and when I saw that you posted a second show, I had to come." And I was like, you come out here, and it was cool too, it was really good. I was like, you came out to see me, and they're like, yes. And so I think for me, it's just, I mean, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude, just knowing that I made something that people want to hear, that it is a part of their lives. Somebody messaged me on Instagram today saying like, yo, I listen to your music all the time and you're coming to my hometown in Sweden. You know, like
Have to come
those,
out and support,
yeah, those things, all they do is just make you want to continue what you're doing, and they inspire you to make dope music. Like you don't want to make no garbage music, you want to keep making the good things.
And giving quality. In terms of like, you know, like when you go abroad, what is the difference in terms of the music that people here like? To the ones that you realize that people connect to more abroad.
Right.
You figure out anything different?
Yeah,
Like, okay.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, I figure out a few things. First of all, like in London, they love reggae, lovers rock. They love the bass and nice, easy, cool. Them love them dancehall, them love them coffee, but they're not like into the street dance all the way.
Oh,
we are, you know?
yeah.
So them, like I went to a club and like they were still listening to Sing on the Plane. I was like, hey, y'all really?
Yeah, way back. Way back, time travel.
However, they have an appreciation also for good talent, you know. Like for me, you know, in Jamaica, like when people don't know it, I'm like, then wait for you to open your mouth. Then like by the third verse, they're like, all right, she can go on, she can sing. But in like foreign, people are just like, wow, this person is talented.
Let me support.
But Jamaica train you. It's like driving in Jamaica and performing in Jamaica, train you for anywhere in the world. Once you can do that, you can do it anywhere.
No, that's true. Yeah. All right, so no, come in as soon as you can. Come in, yes.
Ow, yes.
No, look here, no. So now the question that may come talk to you about congratulations, they get social awards. Oh yes. Oh hi. Oh, this is what the award looks like. How you feel to actually, be a winner tonight?
So exciting, the fact that this is even a category.
Yeah.
Health and fitness shows where health and fitness has come in Jamaica. The fact that it's really cool to be fit and healthy. Everybody that was nominated inspires me on a consistent basis.
And I got chocolate.
She got chocolate.
And she got chocolate.
Where's my chocolate?
This is a daily struggle right here.
So I want you ladies to talk to me about, like, in terms of image. Talk to us about the image tonight. Like, I realize you're taking the image very seriously. So style and all of that,
You have to. You know, I have to
So you woke up like this?
I
You
woke up like
this?
this, thanks to Fitch, right? The style factor, right? But yeah, you know, we give thanks. Yeah, hello. I want life we live in.
Yes, I have to serve it.
Fabulous.
So if somebody for invite you to the Met Gala next year,
Ready.
you feel like everybody doing it for the good?
Absolutely.
You feel like you have it ready?
Well, fabrics pre-purchased, you know,
Okay.
things fabulous, you don't know.
You have it ready, everything
No,
good?
for me, I think I love.
I see you play around a lot with
This is the heart
stuff,
of
yeah.
artistry. It is like expressing how you feel it in the moment. Like tonight, I said to someone, like a stylist, I was messaging, I was like, I don't want to dress up, but I want to have a look. Like I
Yeah.
wanted a persona,
yeah.
you know. And then I was like, I have this thing and this thing. It's like, okay, cool. Like 90s, London. I just come back from London.
Yeah.
I'm
See
just
the
all about
influence,
it. So to me, it's just a way of expressing yourself, just like somebody will.
And she give Jasmine from Aladdin vibes, you know?
You know what I'm
yes.
saying? Like she's like full on royalty, but like with a snap.
Yeah. You should actually exercise in this. I'd love to see the next workout video and take up the water bottle. I want to see how we do a full-on workout. Planka everything. Alright, that's it. Make sure you go and follow these lovely ladies. I'm going to put them social media right here so I can see what they're all about. Alright, peace out. You smell that?
You do smell nice.
Jesus.
Well, if there's one thing I came here for, it was that. Is this your guy?
Yeah,
Your
my little
teammate?
brother.
Oh, I'm a little bro.